Are you worried about people seeing the pages you've visited on Facebook? Well, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to delete them in just a few easy steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to erase the evidence of where you've been on the social media site and keep your profile looking neat and tidy. To get started, first, open up your Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. So when you are on this screen, scroll down until you see your information section. Once you find it, tap on the activity log. It is under your information section, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and tap on View Logged Actions. It is under Logged Actions and Other Activity, and it will show you all of the recent searches that you did on Facebook and any pages that you visited. So if you want to delete them, simply tap on these three dots and then tap Delete. So you do have to go through and delete them one by one manually, which can be a time-consuming task if you've been to a lot of pages. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.